I'm JP from Torque Performance.
If you're into dyno tuning, automotive problem solving, general automotive repairs, motorsport, automotive travel and car culture, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow the journey along with us here at Torque Performance.
We're here today with DAAN Productions at our facility here in Avondale. We've got a few of our customers' cars here, a few race cars, just for a bit of media today. But the big news is we'll be moving very, very shortly to a bigger and better premise. All right, come here, let's have a chat about some cars. We'll start with the race cars that are in the front. This one here is the I.A Automotive D1NZ Drift BMW with an LS3 and a supercharger on it. We've been very, very lucky to work with I.A Motorsport for the last few years. We're pushing forward with them, trying to take out a championship. I've really, really enjoyed working with them and developing this car with them. The next race car is this one here. You would have seen we went to World Time Attack last year. This one, we're now developing our own transmission, our own aero, and our own engine in conjunction with NTR, the owner of the car. So we're going to have another crack at World Time Attack really, really soon, all built here in New Zealand, all built by Torque Performance. But we'll focus a little bit on some of the Honda stuff as well. So as you guys know, this is our development car. This is the one that we bought, I believe, way back in 2020 or 21. All the cars around this car here have something that was developed off this car. This has been a real integral part of our whole business for our Type Rs. This has done all the downpipe development, ECU tuning, exhaust, intercoolers, you name it, was all designed and developed on this car. So we'll just go around some of the other stuff that we've done on some of the beautiful customer cars that we've got here. Unfortunately, we didn't have a hand in Nikki's car, but it's here and it's pretty, right? This one here, this belongs to a good customer of ours. This one originally came to us as a full factory car. He moved out of a CL7, wanted to get into an FK8. This one is just got our exhaust on it, downpipe, tune, and suspension and tire package. Customers loving it. Just a daily street car, but is exactly what he's after. Modern, fast, easy to use. Same kind of setup with this one, with Winston's car. This one's got an intercooler on top of all of our standard mods, still got a downpipe, suspension, everything. Again, all developed off the black car. So this one's around 280 kilowatt. This one's around about the same. This one doesn't have an intercooler though, so we're working on that one. This red one here was one of the later model FL5s to adopt our GT tune. So this has just got our stage 1 or our GT file. So this one here is really, really nice street car, OEM plus. No engine modifications whatsoever, but is just a little bit more spicy than factory. This NSX here is one that we have a lot of history with. This NSX was originally brought to us not working, damaged, and in a million pieces. This one we've slowly pieced together over years. So we were missing everything from suspension components, engine components, interior stuff. So we've put together what we believe is a great street car. 10 coilovers, obviously Mugen MF10s. It's got some beautiful Kevlar seats in it now. We've managed to get some interior pieces actually out of Poland, which are all nice carbon items, but is now getting to the point now where the customer can use it on weekends and finally enjoy his NSX. This one here belongs to the same customer. It's on matching MF10 wheels. This was one of the first FL5s we got to do with large turbo. This is our downpipe, our water cooling. It's got pretty much all the stuff on it that we do, plus a whole bunch of Mugen accessories, including a dry carbon Mugen wing on it now. It is probably one of the ultimate sort of sleeper FL5s that we've done. Everybody knows Lucky G's car. It's pretty much got the full HKS catalog on it, intercooler, turbo. It's got everything on it. This one's real spicy at 300 kilowatt, 550 Newton meters. We were so privileged to be able to build this one, and it is just a top performer. This one here is kind of the sister car to Tony's car. It wasn't built by us. This one was built by D&G, but we had the privilege of supplying some parts for it. This has got our downpipe on it. We supplied the Mugen kit. Marcus has done a really good job with D&G at building this car. It's got the God tier wheels on it. It is real tough. This one here belongs to Redline Performance in Auckland City. This one again is on our GT program. It's got a host of his HKS bits on it, including an HKS downpipe, and it will have a whole bunch more. It's going to be the full HKS catalogue, this car, and is just one of those beautiful street cars. It'll be really cool when it's all done. And this one here, for those of you who don't know, this belongs to Dean Hart. This is the Jays Racing New Zealand and Japan giveaway K20 fit. We built this a few years ago now. Whole bunch of Jays Racing goodies. K20R. It has factory ECU. It is all running like a stock car. It has air conditioning, dash works and everything like that. It is one of those things that we're really proud of, and it was all for a good cause. We built it for Starship. So that's just a little bit of a walkthrough and a brief overview of what we've got here today, and I hope you enjoy the footage, I guess. Thanks for coming along. See you on the next one.